Jocelyn. Jocelyn, what do you want? What do you want? Say what you want.
Please.
No, what do you want? What does Sissy got?
Lollipop.
Lollipop. And what do you say?
Yep.
No, you say please.
Please. Hold?
No, you can't hold it. Give it to it. No. You gremlin. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Come back here. Come back for a second. Gonna hold it? Oh, you're gonna have to come up here. You little gremlin, come on.
Okay. I hold it. I hold it. I hold it.
Come here. You want it? You want it?
Mm-hmm.
You want it?
Mm-hmm. I hold it.
You're a little gremlin. No. You want it? You want it? Yes. Pull.
Please. I hold it.
No, you can't hold it. Ew, lick it off. You've got drool all over it. Mm-mm. Ha ha ha. No, that's sister right there. Baby girl, what are you doing? Come here. Just say bye.
Bye.
Take your binky out.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.